Hey guys, I'm gonna give you all a quick update on the house here. I've had a few requests on an update, so I thought I'd do that. Pretty slow progress, um, but steady progress. You can see a huge pile out here. It's all sheetrock and stuff I've torn out. It's a pretty decent day today. See in here I got the entire, or not the entire, but most of the living room all stripped down. I still got to do under the stairway here. This has still got the plaster ceiling. That's got to come out. But this whole wall is done. Stripped right down. It looks good under there. Everything looks good so far, except one wall I'll show you in a minute. This is the porch area here. All looking good. I gotta bag up all this insulation. I'm gonna be changing some things. The door to this bedroom is in the hallway here, and the hallway is pretty tight. I'm gonna relocate the door right here so it comes out into the living room instead. And I'm gonna remove this wall here where this closet was, and just make it open under the stairway, make the living room a little bit bigger, and get rid of that door from the closet and just make it a nice open corner. Put like a TV over there or something. And the hallway, I still gotta take some sections or pieces of sheetrock out here and there. Of course, the bathroom's all finished up. I did that during the summer, before I decided to strip all this down, but I'm just leaving the bathroom as it is. Looks good and nice and fresh. You can see a big pile of insulation there. Of course, I used my respirator when I pulled all that out. The bedroom wall there, all done. Still got a little bit around the door to take off. And the kitchen, which I just finished, or not quite finished, but I keep saying finished. I still gotta clean all this mess up, but for the most part it's all stripped down. Around here, this corner here still had the plaster for some reason. Seems like at some point somebody redid most of the kitchen but left that corner. I'm not sure why, so that was a pain ripping all that out. You can see on the other side there where the bathroom is, there's the plaster and then somebody just put sheetrock over on top. I'm just gonna leave that for now. It's fine, solid. So yeah, this all looks good here. This wall has a little bit of mold going on, but nothing serious. Mostly mildew, I think. And this was the kitchen corner where the cabinets were and everything, so I'm thinking it was just moisture from all that. But I'm gonna thoroughly check everything and make sure there's no leakage here up top, because I know that this back room here is actually an addition, so it's possible there could be like a leak up there. But I'm gonna check all that out before I put fresh sheetrock up and get rid of all this. Spray it down with bleach or whatever and clean it all up. There's no like rot or anything like that. It's just like growing on there. But other than that, everything is looking good, nice and dry. All the other walls are dry, so that's good. The bedroom ceiling here is plaster. Somebody put a drop ceiling up because they didn't want to mess with that, but that's all got to come down. Rip all that down, and gonna be a big mess. I'm not looking forward to it whatsoever. But maybe I'll find some treasure up there. If you look up there, those old beams are like 6 inches wide or tall, so that's a good space up there to put a treasure chest. That's just wishful thinking. But anyway, that's that. I'm not touching this ceiling. It has been recently done. It's definitely been recently painted. It looks really good. Whoever did it did a nice job on it. So I'm leaving that alone. If it ain't broke, don't fix it. This is the back room. Oh, by the way, I apologize. I'm chewing gum, and you could probably pick that up on video. It's kind of annoying. I just thought about that. My camera likes to pick up the little noises like that, so apologize for that. But anyway, this back room here, I don't think I'm gonna mess with it right now because it's kind of storage. Those are the kitchen cabinets I tried to salvage, but they ended up just falling apart, unfortunately, so I'm just gonna get new ones, not mess with those. But yeah, it's kind of storage right now. So anyway, my battery is going dead, so I'll keep you guys updated on the progress and how it comes along, comes together. I'm hoping get this place livable by summertime. So keep you guys updated. Thanks for watching.